Rail transport has been used in the mining industry since the end of the 19th century. Nowadays, it is impossible to imagine coal or slate mining without the reliable and safe electric locomotive that is so indispensable underground. Since 2001, the scientific and production enterprise Energia, based in the city of Donetsk, Ukraine, has been carrying out a complete production cycle for modern mine electric locomotives, from the wheel pair to the high-precision electronic control, as part of the company's modernization program. In 2008, following more than 10 years' work, full-scale production started on the revolutionary ERA electric locomotive, which was designed to replace the obsolete model. Over the next 4 years, Energia, working jointly with the industry's Scientific Research Institute for Safety, MAX3, produced more than 150 units of equipment and modernized more than 60 electric locomotives. Today, Energia's clients and partners include all the large coal mining companies of the Donbas region. Energia also works closely with leading investment companies DTEK and Metinvest Holding. All Energia products are certified including to international standard ISO 9001, comply with European quality regulations, and are authorized for use in mines in Ukraine and Russia. The electric locomotive production process starts in shop number 1, where initial assembly of core components takes place, i.e. the frame, cabin, explosion-proof battery box, wheel pairs and other auxiliary parts and components. High-quality brands of structural steel, sheet and profile rolled metal are used in production. Modern equipment enables sheet-rolled products to be cut with minimum waste. Both bolted connections and electric welding are used to assemble the frame of the electric locomotive on the jig. To further facilitate assembly of the bolted connections, the frame elements are drilled onto a precision electronic-controlled milling machine. Once the assembly process is complete, the frame is prepared for painting. Special compressed air equipment bombards the metal with fine shot, cleaning scale and traces of corrosion from the workpiece and producing a rough surface. Then polyurethane primer and paint are applied. This method of surface preparation can significantly extend the lifetime of the paint and varnish coating and ensures maximum protection of the electric locomotive against damaging external elements. The electric locomotive battery box and its cover are made separately from thinner sheet. The joins are carefully welded together using semi-automated modern equipment, and then the box and cover are annealed in a furnace at a temperature of 700 degrees. This enables metal stress after welding to be removed. Then the surfaces of the cover and the box that will be in contact are processed on a milling machine. The product's compliance with the existing requirements for protection against explosion depends on the processing quality of the connecting flange. A perfectly smooth surface after connection forms a minimum permissible clearance, which, in the event of an explosion inside the box, relieves excess pressure and, at the same time, prevents the explosion from being transferred to the outside. Essential explosion protection measures also include the installation of ventilation and discharge devices on the battery box, which are designed to provide constant ventilation of the space above the battery and relieve excess pressure in the event of an explosion. Each battery box undergoes hydraulic testing for weld strength and quality. For this purpose, sections are filled with lubricating and cooling fluid, and excessive pressure is created, such as can occur in the case of an explosion inside the box with the cover closed. After evaluation of the quality of the assembly and acceptance of the part, the box is painted using the same process as used for the frame. In addition to production of the frame and battery box, shop number 1 prepares the wheel pairs for the future electric locomotive. The wheel center, rim and central axle are produced on a lathe out of the work pieces produced. Next, the frame is installed on the wheel pairs in the assembly shop. The gearbox and electric motor are installed and the braking system is assembled in the same shop. Driving stability on uneven sections of railway track is ensured by oil-gas shock absorbers. Energia delivers an electric locomotive ready for operation on average 1 month after receipt of the order. Shop number 2 carries out the preparation, assembly and installation of the locomotive's electrical equipment, the battery circuit breakers, the electric control system, and light and sound alarms, and also assembles the charging devices for the acid storage batteries. Some of the equipment used by Energia in electric locomotive assembly, for example the switching regulators and contactors, is supplied by the leading manufacturers Curtis and Albright respectively. Components manufactured by Hawker Enersys are used in the assembly of chargers, Some of the equipment, switching unit, printed circuit boards, chips and contact groups for the control unit is manufactured and assembled independently by Energia specialists. The work of the second workshop is provisionally divided into several areas, ensuring the correct operation of traction batteries, which are subsequently installed in the battery boxes, assembly of automatic battery circuit breakers with a charge detector and a power circuit insulation resistance control unit, and the manufacture of chargers and the electric locomotive electronic control system. After confirmation that the operating mode is explosion-proof, the control system is installed in the electric locomotive cabin. All that remains for the specialist to do is to connect the two parts which have been manufactured in parallel, the battery box and the frame of the electric locomotive. Once assembled, each electric locomotive undergoes mandatory testing at the company's testing facility. There, the engine's running performance is recorded, traction force, speed, emergency braking speed, and a number of other important indicators. At the testing facility, it is possible to test the electric locomotive with the maximum permissible adhesive weight. These activities are not only a routine part of the product acceptance procedure, but also provide information to add to the database for research and further modernization. Energia is constantly organizing business meetings and practical scientific seminars attended by industry representatives. Energia's electric locomotives have a number of undeniable advantages, not only over their own outdated models, but also over the modern models offered by other manufacturers. The competitive advantages of the company's products include crucial parameters, such as the dimensions. The length of the double cabin model does not exceed 5 meters, which allows operation in the most difficult conditions. The additional cabin ensures safety of movement in both directions, 28 kilonewtons of traction force, and a long battery life of 150 kilometers. Energia produces reliable, high-performance locomotives that are highly efficient, user-friendly, and offer the highest level of safety.